taking those screenshots of Amazon to show like, how they ranked and all of that. So again, take your screenshots. Make sure you're saving those flyers, videos, interviews, whatever it is that you are doing, make sure you are documenting those. I mean, you want to package these things. You want to, it's almost like you're at the grocery store. When you first start building your digital media kit, you're going to, it's like you're trying to go everywhere and look for stuff. You're Googling, you're, calling people, emailing people. Hey, you're searching in your email, you're looking for all this information. It's almost like I said, it's like you're in a grocery store. You're just going down the aisle, you're shopping, grabbing all these things, putting it in your bag because you need to have it to be a part of your digital media kit. These are some more screenshots of reviews, remarks, all those different things that's been said. These are 2 workbooks that I did. Recognize business burnout and setting your goals and creating a plan to achieve them. These are 2 workbooks that I put out. So altogether I have 4 books out on Amazon, 2 books and 2 workbooks. Take your pictures, your screenshots, make sure you're putting everything up on here. This is some more information about, me, the books, different things like that. I'm all about networking and connecting, so that's why that image is there. Now we're getting into the podcast. These are some of the podcasts that I've done with my guests. So I'm sharing these on here as well. So again, if you want to go look at a podcast, you could go look at a podcast, and then you could look at all the other ones. Subscribe to my channel while you're over there on YouTube. Make sure you click the subscribe button, and you'll be able to see all these different videos and things that I've done. So that is pretty much the end of the digital media kit. It's super, super easy to update. So whenever you have updates, you don't have to, like in a presentation, like shuffling things and realigning, moving it down, adding in slides, all that extra work. You don't have to do that anymore. In Adobe Spark, it's just a matter of finding where you need to insert it and simply insert it in that space. That's all you need to do to update. And once you update this, it's a link. That is the beautiful thing about this, is that it's not an attachment. If someone asks you for some information, you don't have to send them a lot of attachments or either drop it all